This is Splash Mountain, a classic at the Disneyland Resort. For 33 years, families across the world have been on this ride. For first-time visitor Benny Garcia, this was his first and last time on this ride as Splash Mountain, before its last moments in the park.
It was great. For the first time, I actually got to ride this, and then I got all wet, and I yelled, and I opened my mouth going down. It was the best experience ever.
While singing Zippity Doo Dah, this catchy tune will forever hold a special place in many hearts. This song will forever be a core memory, along with being a tradition to the ride when coming to the parks.
Splashdown Mountain is one of my favorite rides. I've been going on it since 1994. I'm kind of bummed that it's closing, but we planned our trip accordingly. So we're here now enjoying it, and then we'll come back next year when it's Tiana's Bayou, which we're super excited about because these guys love Princess Tiana.
As visitors wait hours to ride the attraction for the last time at the park, this shows this is a ride worth waiting for. July 17th, 1989 was the first grand opening date for Splash Mountain to be here at the Disneyland Resort, and now coming in 2024, Tiana's Bayou Adventure will take over Splash Mountain and create fun and new adventurous memories. Reporting from Disneyland, riding Splash Mountain for the last time, Alyssa Saldivar, Fresno Stay Focused.